Today, we'll be blessing the animals. The animals of God's creation can be found in the skies, on the earth, and in the seas. We give thanks for the richness and variety of animal life, for fish and birds, insects, reptiles, and mammals. Animals are our companions and friends. We are grateful for animals who share our homes and our lives. Now, when we take time to bless our animals, what we are doing is recognizing the way these animals are already a blessing for us. And we recognize the way these animals are already a blessing for others. We give thanks, we celebrate their lives, and we voice our prayers for the future. So right now I'd like to invite you to put your hands on your animal or on a photo you have with you. And if your animal is on the move and doesn't want to stay still, you could just look at your animal or picture them in your mind, or think of pets who are no longer with us. Then you can repeat these words, perhaps adding in the name of your animal friend as you do so. Are you ready? Loving Creator, thank you for this animal and for all the love and joy it brings. May the future hold peace, comfort, and fun. May our loving care be a reflection of your loving nature. And may we recognize the presence of your love within our animal friends. Blessed are you, God, in all your creatures. Amen. And to all of you, may you go in peace, caring for creation and loving our animal friends. See you next week.